Okay, I broke my makeup, so I'm gonna repair it. I get some alcohol, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, I got a piece of plastic in this lid, so I'm gonna put some alcohol in it. And I'm using this. Just put a little alcohol in it and press it down. If you think it's difficult, try with someone else, something else. You can use your finger and just press it on. And just press it down, press it down. You have to use both hands on this. So, you kind of make a mess because I was using one finger only. Okay. It broke some, so just pass my finger through it. Okay. Just use the plastic to press it down again with the paper. And then you have to let it dry. And just slide it. Slide it. It's not gonna be perfect, there's not gonna be no more loose powder. And then just clean it around. And it's almost perfect. It won't be loose anymore. I was using it and it was breaking apart. I just clean a little bit the edges and let it dry. You can use a coin and a plastic paper. Right now I didn't have the coin, so. But basically just use alcohol to press it back, melt it together, and that's it. You don't need much. Okay, this is how it came out. It's a little uneven, but you can do it more perfectly if you want to do this. I just did just because I want it together. You can see my fingers right there. But it came out good, and it's not gonna it's not gonna be loose anymore. So you have a broken eyeshadow or powder and you don't want to be splitting it all over, just put a little alcohol in it and just press it down again. After let it dry, air dry, like open, I left it open overnight, so now it's dry. If you see, it's still as good as the first time I bought it. Very pigmented, it didn't affect anything by putting the alcohol in it. Okay, actually, well, think that's very sanitary because alcohol kills most 99% of the 99.9% of the bacteria, so that's good. Okay, I have this other eyeshadow that I have saved for a while. You can see it's all messed up in the middle and everything. It fell and it broke. So I'm gonna do what I did with this other one right here, and we'll see how it turns out. Okay, so you can use again something with plastic, or you can use only your fingers. I don't know, whatever is more comfortable for you. Right now, I'm just gonna. You can use a brush or something else. Make sure your hands are clean. This one's kind of hard to reach, so I'm gonna use a brush right now. Okay, so I'm gonna collect everything that is on the corners. This over here. You can clean it, or just, if you don't want to use all of them, save everything in the corners. Just clean it and use whatever you have available already inside. So what you can do here, okay, step it a little bit. You're gonna use alcohol. You buy it in any pharmacy or I don't know, Target, Walmart. You can put a little bit in there. It's gonna get it wet. It does a purpose is to put it together and make sure you press it down. So this is gonna act as a, you see I don't have much in it. So once you put the alcohol, everything's gonna get wet. Just a few drops. You can use the brush to press it down, or you can use the finger, or wrap it with some plastic and press it down. As you see right now, it has a bigger portion on the middle, and this one it's already gone. Let me press my finger in it. I don't get much, but just press it, press it, press it, press it. You can use something else to press it down, but right now it's wet, so let me just take the excess out. And for this, you see, I don't have much left. And the alcohol eventually is gonna sanitize your eyeshadows as well. So it's a two-win-win situation right there. So your brush too, you can just wash it and that's it. With some warm water. You don't really have to do much in it. Now, what do? It's you can just like wipe it on the edges just to clean whatever is left over. It's not really a super clean thing, but something like just to take out this. You're not gonna have any loose powder anymore, so you can do the makeup without making a mess or worrying that it's gonna come out. And if you drop it again, just use it again. This is in limited use. So basically this is how it's now. It's not gonna come off anymore. And this is it. Just let it air dry, open, and it's ready to use again. Just use a few drops. That's it. Okay, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.